we'll guide you through how to blur text in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific tutorial today, make absolutely sure that Adobe Photoshop is completely installed on your personal computer. On your main desktop, carefully open the Adobe Photoshop application. Go directly to File, then Open, and accurately select a background image to perfectly serve as your canvas so the blur effect will clearly be visible. Next, easily create your desired text by securely selecting the horizontal type tool from the left toolbar. Once your text is safely typed and securely positioned, look at your Layers panel located on the bottom right side of your screen. In Photoshop, you cannot directly apply a blur filter to a live text layer without getting an unexpected error, so we need to prepare it first. Carefully right-click directly on your text layer inside the Layers panel. From the convenient pop-up menu, select Convert to Smart Object. Your text layer icon will now have a small square symbol placed in the bottom right corner. This symbol means it is protected, and you can still edit the spelling later. Now, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Filter menu. Scroll down the list, hover your mouse over the Blur category, and a new sub-menu will appear. Select Gaussian Blur from this sub-menu. This is the most smooth, reliable, and professional blurring tool in the software. A new dialog box will pop up on your screen with a preview window. Make sure the preview checkbox on the right side of a new dialog box is ticked so you can easily see the visual effect applied to your canvas in real time. Look for the radius slider at the absolute bottom of this pop-up window. Firmly click and smoothly drag the slider to the right to completely increase the amount of blur or accurately type a specific pixel value directly into the box. Once you are completely satisfied with the soft, beautiful blurry look of your new text, securely click the OK button to successfully apply the filter. Because we safely used a smart object, you will now securely see a new smart filters list perfectly placed under your text layer, successfully allowing you to easily double-click and effortlessly change the blur amount at any time completely without starting over.